क्षणे सर्वेषां स्वागतम्. So when somebody says swagatam, you say dhanyavadah.
Dhanyavadah.
Very good.
Dhanyavadah.
So I'm gonna
Dhanyavadah.
dhanyavadah. Okay. All right. So now the rule is that whoever speaking will have unmute. All others should be muted. That way we can have a nice conversation between us. Okay. So rule number 1 is that those who are speaking, only they can unmute. Everybody should be unmute, you know. Yeah. So one by one, I'll ask you questions. Say how many verbs you remember by now. Okay. So I'm gonna ask you first Advaita. So you can unmute yourself and please tell me the Sanskrit word for worships. Or whoever knows it, they can raise the hand. Who knows the word for worships? Sanskrit. Yeah, Tejaswini. What is the Sanskrit word for worships?
Bhajati.
Bhajati. Very good. So Advait, you know that now? What is the word?
Yeah.
What is the word for worships?
Marjani.
Bhajati.
Bhajati.
Okay. All right. So I'll share the screen and we all go over this verb again. Please remember them and then I'll ask you after taking off the screen. Okay. So I'm gonna share the screen with you. Let me see.
I can't see your screen.
Yeah, just 1 second. We'll be getting there in 1 second.
I see the screen.
Okay, so first of all, let me do that. Okay, all right, so okay. Let me get the right screen for you.
Okay.
Okay, can you all see this screen?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, all right. So you all have to repeat after me and remember pronunciation and the meaning, and then I will stop sharing the screen and I will ask you, you have to tell me this thing, okay? Okay, so please repeat after me. Bhajati.
Bhajati. Bhajati.
Worships.
Worships. Worships.
Chalati.
Kalati.
Walks.
Walks.
Dhavati.
Davati.
Runs.
Runs.
Gayati.
Gayati.
Sings.
Sings.
Hasati.
Hasati.
Laughs.
Laughs.
Japati.
Japati.
Chants.
Chants.
Hadati. Eats.
Eats.
Ridati. Plays.
Plays.
Likhati.
Likhati.
Writes. Nidrati.
Nidrati.
Natyati.
Yati.
Nrutyati.
Nrutyati.
Dances.
Dances.
Okay. And Pachyati. Pachyati. Cooks. Cooks. Pashyati. Pashyati. Pathati.
Singati, Roditi, Runoti,
Crowd. Don't read ahead, please. Repeat after me. You have to learn the pronunciation. Pipati. Drinks. Ringati. Roditi. Cry.
Dance.
Srunoti.
Then
Unayati.
Unayati. I
Lips.
can't hear you.
Unayati,
Lips.
Yes.
Okay. All right. Now, okay, you all go through the screen for 5 minutes, okay, and try to learn all these words. When you're done with this much, I will scroll down to see more words, okay? You have to know Bhajati, worship, Chalati, walks, Dhavati, runs, Gayati, sings, Hasati, laughs, Chapati, chants, Khadati, eats, Kridati, plays, Krishna, Krishna, Ligati, writes, Nidrati, sleeps, Nrutyati, dances, Pachati, cooks, and Pashyati, sees. Please try to remember this how to pronounce as well as the meaning of it. Okay? Up to this. Bhajati to Pashyati. Everybody can see the screen?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, good. Thank you.
Can't see your screen.
Okay.
Prabhuji.
We are able to see Prabhuji. No issues from your end.
Okay.
I can see the screen, Prabhuji.
We can see
Yes. Please.
Okay. I can.
And here.
Okay, now I can see Prabhuji.
Okay, can I scroll it down? Are you okay up to Pashyati?
no Prabhuji.
Okay.
Come on. Prabhuji, could you scroll down?
Okay, everybody is okay. Can I scroll it down?
No, Prabhuji. 2 minutes.
Okay.
How do you say cooks?
What? Which one?
How do you say cooks?
Cooks, pachati.
Pachati. Okay.
Here, pachati. Pasyati. Pronunciation and the meaning. Pronunciation is more important, and you have to know what it means. See, like pasyati sees, pachati cooks, nrutyati dances, nidrati sleeps, likhati writes, kridati plays, khadati eats, japati chants, hasati laughs, gayati sings, dhavati runs, chalati walks, bhajati worships.
Prabhuji, can you scroll down?
Yes.
Prabhuji, how do you say here's in Sanskrit?
What?
Here's in Sanskrit.
Yes.
Yes, Prabhuji.
I didn't follow your word.
Here's.
Last
Oh,
part,
here,
Prabhuji.
Srunoti. Srunoti is here. Here. Srunoti. Okay, got it?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Yeah. Srunoti. And lips is unnayati. Okay. I'll pronounce all of them. Okay. Unnayati means lips. Srunoti hears. Roditi cries. Ringati crawls. Pibati drinks. Pathati reads. Pasyati sees. Pachati cooks. Nrutyati dances. Nidrati sleeps. Likhati writes. Like that. Kridati plays. Okay, if you have any question on pronunciation, please let me know. I will do it for you.
Hare Krishna, Prabhuji. How do you pronounce the Unnayati?
Unnayati. Unna, two N. Unna, ya, T. You see that? Unna, unna, ya, T. You got it?
Dhanyavadaha.
Samichinam. Mostly all verbs are easy, except maybe ringati, srunoti, unnayati, kridati, nrutyati. You have to little bit nidrati. Nidrati is simple one. Nrutyati.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
can you please disable the chat?
What?
Can you please take off the chat?
Oh, okay. You want to take
What
it
if
up?
people have problems and they won't be able to ask?
They can unmute themselves.
What if they can't unmute themselves and that's their problem?
They can raise their hand.
Can you see it now? All
But they cannot unmute.
you cannot unmute yourself. I have. So you should be able to. I
If
have a.
chat's bothering you, just mute the chat for yourself.
It's not working.
How do you mute the chat? You just press the bell at the top left right corner of chat. No, you're
actually
supposed to press the security button and then you turn off chat.
If you are unable to close the chat, take help your parents.
Well, I can't find the bell icon and I don't have it.
But that's allowing in only iPads.
Yeah.
And I'm in the phone.
Dun, 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 dun.
I'm on a laptop. I mean,
Laptop is not working.
yes.
मम्मा आना है क्या आपको? अभी क्लास है. क्लास.
I can't hear you, Prabhuji.
Okay, you are okay now?
Think so, Prabhuji.
Okay, so can I take the screen? Can I stop sharing and then ask you this?
Yes.
Yes, Prabhu.
Okay, all right. So now when I stop it, then you have to raise your hand. Voluntarily, I'm gonna ask whoever raised their hand, okay? And if I know their name, okay, please. Okay, Sakhi. Okay, your name is this. I'll ask you, what is the word for walks? Sakhi.
Chalati.
What is it?
Chalati.
Oh, very good. Okay. Next, who is next? Karthik.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, Karthik, what is the word for sings?
Gayati.
Very good. Okay, who is next? Madhav. Who is Madhav? Madhav, what is the word for chants?
Bhajati.
No, bhajati is worships. For chants, there is another Sanskrit word. Okay,
Yeah.
who knows it?
Javati.
Chants is, what is it?
Javati.
Japati. Please repeat.
Javati.
Japati. Please repeat.
Javati.
Japa. Japati.
Javati.
Very good. Okay. So next,
Krishna.
okay, what is your name? I didn't, because I don't have your name here. Please pick your name. What is your name?
Amrita.
Amruta. Okay, Amruta, what is the word for plays?
Sorry, Prabhuji.
What is the Sanskrit word for plays? Play.
Kridati.
Kridati. Very good. Okay, next, who is Harmat or Hemant? Hemant? Hemant. Okay. What is the word for rights?
Likati.
Very good. Okay, next, Misita. Misita.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay, what is the word for sleeps?
I think sleep is nidrati.
Very good, very good. Okay. Who is next? Pavitra.
Yes,
Pavitra.
Prabhuji.
Okay, what is the word for dances?
Nrityati.
Nrutyati. Very good. Okay. Then next, let's say who's next? I don't know sometimes name. So if you don't have your name, I don't know. How do I? Who is Srinath? Or okay, Srinath.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you tell me the Sanskrit word for cooks, please?
I forgot the word.
Okay, who knows it? Can you raise your hand?
Pavitra.
Okay, Sakhi, can you answer it?
Can I say? I know cooks.
Sakhi, what is the word
Prabhuji,
for
I know cooks.
one at a time?
Prabhuji, I know cooks.
Okay.
Pachati.
Pachati. Okay.
Pachati.
All right. So who is the next one? Gopal. Gopal. Can I ask you what is the word for seas, please?
Sleep.
Yeah.
Yeah, sleep.
Seas. Okay. Who knows the word for seas? Karthik.
Can I?
Yeah, one by one. Those who are.
I know sleeps.
Okay, Karthik. What is the word for seas? Okay, Abhinav. Abhinav.
Pashyati.
Pasyati. Okay, Gopal, you know now what is the word for seas? Gopal. Gopal. Gopal Govinda. Okay, he's on mute. Okay. Let's say who else is Kumudini? Who is Kumudini? Kumudini. Kumudini. Hare Krishna. Kumudini.
Yes.
What is the word for reeds?
What?
Reeds.
Reads.
Who knows the word for reed? Can you raise your hand? Okay, Tejaswini, what is the
I
word?
know.
Patati.
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 Pathati. Very good. Okay. Next, who's that? Ovi. Ovi. Ovi, can I? Ovi. Okay. What is the word, Sanskrit word for drinks? Oh, very good. Okay. Now, next is Mihika.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Mihika, what is the word for crawls?
Ingati.
Ringati. Very good. Now, Varun.
Nirod.
Varun.
Yes.
Varun, what is the word for cries?
Cries.
Yes.
Cries.
Yes. Who knows the word for cries? So one at a time.
Me, Prabhuji.
Okay,
Cries.
Sakhi.
Rosity.
All right. Okay, who's next?
Anirudh.
Anirudh. Yeah, if you tell your name, then Anirudh, what is the word for hears? Hears. Krishna hears something. What is the word for hear?
Can Ramachandra say, Prabhuji?
What is the, okay, who knows it for word for hears?
Shrinoti.
Srunoti. Okay, very good. Then who is the next? Please tell your name, okay? Because sometimes I don't. Huh?
Ramachandra.
Advait.
Ramachandra.
Ramchandra. Okay, Ramchandra, I'm asking you, what is the word for lips?
Unnayati.
Unnayati, Samichinam. Okay, who is
Can I
next?
say? Me. Advait. Me.
Advait. Okay, what is the word for worship, Advait?
Worship.
Very good. Next, tell your name.
Worship.
Okay, okay.
Bhajati.
Okay,
Bhajati.
yeah, worship is Bhajati, that's fine. Okay, next I'm gonna ask Charith. Charith, can you unmute yourself? Charith, the name is there, Charith. Who is they? Who is he?
It's me.
Okay, Charith, can you tell me what is the Sanskrit word for walks?
Walks is Jayati.
Walks is, what is it?
Chalati.
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 Okay, Chalati. Okay, very good. All right. So let's say whose hand is there next? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Pavitra. Pavitra.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Can you tell me what is the word for runs?
Dhavati.
Very good. Okay. Next is Sakhi. Sakhi, can you tell me what is the word for sings?
Sings.
Sings.
Gayati.
Gayati. Gayati. Very good. Okay. Then got Abhinav Krishna. Abhinav. Abhinav. Next. Can you tell me the word for eats?
It's Kadati.
Adati.
Kadati.
Okay, whose hand is up now? Let me see. Gopal Govinda. Gopal Govinda. Hare Krishna.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you tell me what is the word for rights?
Lekati.
Very good. Very good. Okay, next is Nihal. Who is Nihal?
Hi.
Nihal, can you say hi? Okay. Nihal, what is the word for sleeps?
Sleeps is Nidrati.
Nidrati. Nidrati. Very good. Okay, next Suraj. Okay, who is Suraj?
Yeah, Prabhuji, what's
Okay.
the question?
Suraj, what is the word for dances?
Nutyati. Nutyati.
Dance, Nutyati. Okay. Let's say whose hand is up now? Anyone else? NP. Who is NP? Who is NP?
Me.
NP. Okay. This question is for NP. What is the Sanskrit word for cooks? NP.
Pachati.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Who is next? 3 more. Okay. Gopal Govinda.
Yes.
Okay. What is the word for reeds? Reeds.
Patati.
Patati. Very good. Okay. Next. Who is that? Oh ho no. Who is that? Oh no. I don't know.
Oh no.
You got weird name. Oh no. Okay. Oh no. Who is oh no? Everybody don't show their face, so I don't know who they are. Okay. Anybody else? Okay. Oh no. What is the word for crawls?
What?
Crawls. Crawling.
Ingati.
Ringati. Okay, very good. Ringati. Okay, next.
There is Satvik.
Satvik. Satvik, what is the word for hears? Very sattvic. Shrunoti. Okay. Then
And also Shreyas.
who is this?
Shreyas.
Shreyas. Okay. What is the word for lips? Lips. Who knows? Okay. Sakhi, can you tell me?
Unnayati.
Very good. Okay. So everybody knows this thing. All right. So I'm gonna share the screen. We're gonna practice some other thing, and you have to remember this. We'll come back on this one too. Okay, in a few minutes. Let me share the screen. Okay.
I can't see your screen. I can't see your screen, Prabhuji.
Huh? Nobody sees it.
We can see Prabhuji.
We can see Prabhuji.
Okay. All right. All right. So let's practice this sentence. Okay. Good to know the subject and the verb. So here subject is Krishna. This is story about Krishna. So please repeat after me. Krishna ringati.
Krishna Haringati.
Krishna is crawling.
Krishna scrolling.
Or Krishna crawls.
Krishna is crawling.
Okay. Next one. Krishna kridati.
Krishna kridati. Krishna is playing.
Krishna plays. Okay.
Krishna is playing.
Krishna patati.
Krishna
patati.
is reading.
So Krishna is
Krishna is reading.
Krishna
Krishna is
dancing. Unnayati.
Krishna Unnayati.
Krishna unnayati. Krishna is lifting.
Krishna roditi.
Krishna roditi.
Krishna is crying.
Krishna crying.
Krishna hasati.
Krishna
Krishna hasati. Krishna is laughing.
Krishna Pibati. Krishna is drinking.
Krishna khadati. Krishna eats.
Krishna
nidrati. Krishna sleeps. Okay. Now,
nidrati.
Oh
okay.
my
Now,
God.
I'm gonna go line 1 here. Okay, I'll put a Sanskrit word and you have to tell me the English. Okay. Okay. So,
Should we raise hands for that?
okay, line 1, I'm gonna say likhati. Someone say, what is it in English?
Writing.
Writes.
Right.
Writing, yeah.
Okay, next one is nidrati.
Writing.
Sleeps.
Sleeping.
Nidrati. What is nidrati means?
Sleeps.
Okay. Next one is nrutyati. Nrutyati.
Dances.
Sorry, pachati. Pachati.
Cooks.
Pashyati. Pashyati. What is the meaning of pashyati?
Sees.
Sees. Okay. Next, pathati. What is the meaning of pathati? Alright. Next, pibati. Ringati. Okay. Roditi. Alright. Now you're gonna make a sentence here yourself. Okay. Okay. Like the first part. Shrunoti is hears. So Esa shrunoti. Esa.
ऐसा
See.
सुनो
See here. Okay. If you put Esah shrunoti, means he hears. Okay. Or if you put any noun. Let's say Ramah shrunoti. Ram is hearing, or Ram hears. I don't know why there is echo. Okay. All right. Similarly here. Shrunoti here. Okay. Pasyati sees. Okay, so on one is the day, one by one, only one person at a time. Okay.
Yes, Prabhu.
Can you please make a two-word sentence here using noun and this verb?
Sakhi pashyati.
Okay. Before
Pasyati.
pasyati, you put the noun, any noun.
Lakshman pashyati.
Lakshmanaha pasyati. Please repeat.
Lakshmanah Lakshmanah pasyati. Vasudevah pasyati.
Vasudevah pasyati.
Vasudevah pasyati.
Balaramaha pashyati.
So everybody knows pasyati is see, right? Shrunoti hears. Pasyati sees. Okay, we go to next one. Davati runs. So please make a sentence here.
Sitah davati.
Sitah davati.
Okay, everybody can think about it.
Kartikah davati.
Davati is runs. Any name here. Masculine name, feminine name.
Krishna
Krishna Davati, Rama Davati, Arjuna Davati. Remember Davati.
Balaramaha davati.
Balaramah davati.
Very good. Everybody think of some sentence. Now here, next one. Nrutyati is dances. So you can put anyone here. Radha Nrutyati.
Sita nrityati.
Lalita
Nrutyati.
Anita nrityati. Tejaswini nrityati.
Nrutyati.
Ranit nrityati.
So remember this. Nrutyati means dance. Okay. Okay, next one. Gayati. It sings. Everybody should make sentence. Gayati.
Meera gayati.
Gayati means sings.
Gayati.
Rukmini gayati.
Okay, we go to next word. Chalati is walks.
Ramachariti.
Hari Leela Chalati. Chalati.
Okay, anybody else?
Mata Pita Kalati.
Krishna kalati.
Krishna Chalati.
Ramaha Chalati.
Very good.
Ramah charati.
Next word is Likhati, writes.
Krishna Likati.
Krishna chalati. Krishna likati.
Valmiki likati.
Yeah, yeah.
Another question.
Valmiki likati.
Naradaha Likhati.
Narada.
Prabhuji, I have a question.
So main thing
Valmiki
is remember what Likhati means. Likhati means write.
It's right.
Prabhuji, I have a question.
Vyasah likati.
So we're gonna have questions after 5 minutes. Okay. All right. So Pachati is cooks. Okay. So
Sitaha Pachati.
Vanita Pachati.
Mama Janani Pachati.
Yes, that is very good. Janani Pachati.
Janani
Mama Bhakti Pachati. Pachati is cooks. Remember this word, huh? Okay. Next one. Japati means chant. Bhaktaha Japati.
Vasudevah Japati.
Krishna Japati.
Virodaha Japati.
Janani Japati.
Rameshaha Japati. Chandravali Japati.
Janani Japati.
Janakaha Japati. Mama Janakaha Japati.
Okay, next Bhajati. Bhajati means worships.
Suraj is ready.
So you're gonna make sentence of Bhagavati. Sentence of
Vasudevah Bhajati.
Bhajati.
Matamahi Bhajati.
Matamahi Bhajati. Very good. Okay. All right. So let's go for a few minutes again on this vocabulary. You should know all this verb very well and their English translation, pronunciation, as well as meaning of it. Bhajati. Yes.
Are you going to quiz us again?
Pardon me?
Are you going to ask again?
Yeah.
And also, how do you say Rama is teaching the kids or something? How to write it?
Rama is teaching.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, okay. 1 second. Let me. Okay. Let's go over this for a few minutes, and meanwhile, I'll get the word for you. Okay.
Okay.
Look through this table, and everybody should remember this verb. This is very important for your Kahoot game also.
Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I have a question.
Yes.
What do you say? With to do with something? Hare Krishna Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna.
What do you
Huh?
say
Hare,
with W-I-T-H? What do you say W-I-T-H in Sanskrit?
W what?
I-T-H.
With.
Yes.
Which means Sardham.
Prabhuji, I couldn't hear you. Hare Krishna Prabhuji, I couldn't
Yes.
hear you.
Teach is for teaching is Shikshanam Karoti, or another word is Upadisati or Adhyapanam Karoti. So there will be different words depending on, sometimes different word. Shiksayati is also means teaching. Teaches.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So for example, teacher, right? So Siksak, Sikshayati means teacher teaches, like that. Okay.
Prabhu,
So please try to remember this word. This will be in your game also. All these words. So, look at and then I will scroll it down in 1 minute. Okay. And then we'll take questions after this. I want you to make sure you know all verb. So when you're through with this, tell me, I will scroll it down for you.
Prabhuji.
Can I scroll it down?
I'm not done, Prabhuji. I'm not done.
You have to remember this verb for your Friday game.
So only these words are in the Kahoot, right? This
Yeah,
time?
this is all word you're gonna get, not more than that. Nothing outside this list.
Okay.
So that's why you get limit. You remember this, and then we will increase our vocabulary as we go along. Okay?
But I have a question.
Yes.
Like, plays means like if you play something or you play with someone.
Play is a credity, right?
Yeah.
So
So does that mean like play with someone or play something?
something, play with something.
Or
Okay,
play with someone.
Okay, we will get the third 3-word sentence later on, okay? Right now only learn this much. Subject means Krishnaha, Ramaha, and Japati, Pibati, Gayati, like that. So we are learning this 2-word sentence, short sentence. Then we'll come to 3-word sentence. Then we'll come to 4-word sentence, okay? At that time we can use with, by, for, and everything, okay?
Means
Yeah, you have to go slowly. You have to remember this much first.
Prabhuji, is there more on the bottom or that's it?
There are, okay, up to here.
Okay.
Up to Unnayati. Okay, so if you're done, I'll take off or I'll leave the screen, but we'll go through, I will still leave the screen, but we'll go through question answer session now. So if you have any questions, you can ask now. And meanwhile, I'll leave the screen. Anybody wants it, they can still refer it. But those who have a question, they also start asking questions.
Prabhuji?
Yes.
How do you say hears again?
Hears is srunoti.
Snroti.
Srunoti. Ana. This is srunoti. So if you go here, Sanskrit, see there is a dot under R. Srunoti. This is no, but in Sanskrit, Devanagari repeat is ana. Srunoti. Okay.
Srunoti.
Yeah, srunoti.
Srunoti.
See, no is ana.
Srunati.
When there is a dot under N, it is ana, which is alphabet you will learn. I know, are you learning alphabet in the other class?
I'm not going
The
for that one.
Devanagari Lipi. So this is ana. When there is a dot below N, it is ana. And when it dot below R, it is ru. Ra ni jagya ru. Sru. Srunoti. You got it?
Srunoti.
Yes. Very good.
Mahika, raise hand. Mahika, go ahead and ask question.
Prabhuji,
Yeah.
how should you remember that the difference in kridati and khadati?
Okay, kridati is place. Okay, so you say kridati, kridati. Now,
Like, is it kridati or kridati?
no, kridati,
Oh, okay.
kridati, and other khadati is totally different. Let's say, where is that word?
That's up.
I think it's probably up. Okay, here it is. Kha, this is KH, khadati, and this is kridati. See the difference, Mahika?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you, Prabhuji.
See the spelling, kha, KH, khadati. Okay, and here, kridati, kridati plays, khadati eats.
And my last question is, what do you call pen in Sanskrit? Like you call pencil ankani
Pencil is
in
ankani. Yeah, pen is,
Likhani.
is
Is maybe likhani.
yes, you're right.
but likhani is right.
Lekhani, no, Lekhani is right, but Lekhani is pen.
Oh, lekhani. Oh,
Lekhani, yeah.
oh, okay. Thank you, Prabhuji.
You're welcome.
Prabhuji, could you scroll down?
Kumudini, can you go ahead with your question?
So we have 9 minutes. If you have any questions, we can go for it now.
Kumudini, can you ask your question?
Yes. So cooks is pachati, right?
Yes.
Pachati.
Suraj, if you have any question, you can unmute yourself and ask. So we have no more questions, Prabhuji.
No more questions. Okay. All right. Okay. Then let's see if they want to practice this. I'll leave the screen for a while.
Can we do the quiz again?
Quiz.
Can we do quiz?
Quiz.
What you asked?
Um,
Yeah, like you asking us.
Okay.
one more question.
Yes.
So are you gonna take a photo of this worksheet and send it to the WhatsApp group?
Yeah, they will send it to you. All this audio, and you will see this screen again. The recording is being
Okay.
done. You get it
In
in
YouTube, they're
at that time,
posting.
How
you
many
can
days will it get
practice.
to YouTube?
Yeah. So yeah, if you look on your YouTube, you will see this table again.
Yeah, when?
By end of today.
Yeah, they send it every day.
By end of today, you will see this video on YouTube.